Hello, everyone. My name is Rohila, and let's transform your life. Today, what we're going to talk about is a simple tweak of your mindset that once you make it, you're completely going to revolutionize the way you look at problems. Now, let's take a look at what the current problem is. Let's say you've got debt of, let's say, $10,000. So every time you think about this $10,000 debt that you've got, what happens? You start feeling hopeless, nervous, anxious. This feeling of negativity just comes. And what's your mindset always on? It's on debt. Even though you're thinking, how do I get out of it? What's the real thing that you're thinking about? It's debt. So what keeps showing up in your life? More debt. That's the current problem. That's the current way of thinking. Now, let's see if you can shift your mindset instead of looking at the negative of, I owe $10,000. What happens if you change your mindset to, how do I create $11,000? See, it's a simple tweak. You're thinking about at first you're thinking about the fact that you owe 10,000. Now you're thinking about, how do I create 11,000? And what happens is you're really looking beyond the problem. And what this does is it gets you start thinking creatively. You start looking for solutions. Instead of focusing on the problem, you're thinking about ways to solve it. See, that little tweak shows up everywhere in your life. So next time you've got a problem that's holding yourself back, instead of focusing on the problem, think about the solution and look past the problem. Do that, and you'll be transforming your life.